In this video, I'll be showing you how to make players run forward in FC26. Now, let's say whenever you have the ball and you want to make a play, you want the players in front of you to run forward. It's very simple to do. So while you're running or doing whatever you want, all you got to do is hold down L1 and then the direction of, with the right stick, basically, if you want to move them right, move your right stick rightwards as well while you're holding down L1. And as you can see, all the players are moving, and yeah, it's as simple as that. You can literally push as many people as you want to the front. And again, this works on any controller. So if you're using Xbox, it's LB instead of L1. And obviously if you're on a PlayStation controller, it's L1. So it's one of the triggers, and then that's it. You'll be good to go. So you can have a very pressing attack, which might be what you're looking for depending on your playstyle. So it's as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to let us know down in the comments below what more FC26 videos would you want to watch from this channel in the future.